Well, we're trying to help retailers get back to work, and we're trying to think of an easy way to let them invite customers to come and shop at certain times, and perhaps let them in through a priority queuing system, or simply maybe just let them get into the store in a hands-free way. So what we've done is we can select which store the customers are coming to, and we'll allocate them a pass. So here we go into the access control side. We add a customer pass. I'll just go in and do that. So we'll put in simply their name, and we would need the email address. We'll select the time that they're allowed to turn up with their VIP pass, or we want to let them in from, say, 9 o'clock in the morning. And they can come in anytime up until 11. And we simply save that record. We would need to put in a card number just to see whenever they swipe, but we can track that they've attended. So that record is saved, and all I need to do is I need to go in and I need to take that record, and we need to just send them an email. So that email has now been sent to them, and they'll be able to go in and open their inbox and have a look at what that looks like. I'll just check my inbox, and it's already arrived. So that's what my pass would look like. So simply when I go to the store, I will present the store with my phone with the QR code in, and will give me access in a hands-free way. So, as I say, it's typically used for where you have a priority queue for people, beat the people queuing outside, you get a allocated time, or perhaps it's a store where simply they want you to make an appointment to be able to turn up and gain easy access in a hands-free way.